Get it. Oh, look, you don't understand.
What's going on? What do you find?
I was at this Walmart. They have old Hot Wheels from 2020, I think. Holy shoot. This is crazy. They got the Bel Air. They got a Mad Mike. And they even have the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT. I remember buying this in the store back in 2020. And they even have 2022 stock. The Silverado. They have the Mach-E. Oh, look at that. This is just... This thing is actually crazy. Look at that. I already have this, but this is still a really sick find. Oh, look at that. They even have the Dodge Drift car from 2022. I really do like this Mad manga a lot. It's really nice. I want to see if they have any other old cars. Because that, what the heck? Look at this. That comes with, that's kind of weird. Oh, I'm just still surprised they got 20 vehicles here.
We can open it. Okay, I don't want to. Oh,
that's some shit. I also got a full set of these Matchbox. I'm not too sure how old these are. I wonder if these are new or old. 2023. I have the same car. Like they have the whole set here, I think. Got a Jeep. Got a Scout vehicle. And just a lot of other cars. I think they have a Chevy Blazer. No.
wow. Let me check this out.
We got a few premiums here. Oh, they got the F1. This would have been stolen by now, but I guess it's still here. That's good. See?